pop this cover open, just push down on the tab here, slide it back. You can pull the door off. You can reach in there, grab the socket. You just want to twist it to the left, like you're unscrewing. And you can slide the bulb out. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab, and it slides right out. Now you can take a H13 bulb, line it up with the connector, lock it down, make sure you don't touch any of the glass on the bulb. You want to twist it around. And then just like you took it out, you're going to just push it into the assembly. And then twist it to the right, like you're tightening, till it bottoms out. And take the cover, line it up, and lock it down.